Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change a shape in Droyo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, if this is your first time in Droyo, click the start button and just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Once you open the Droyo application or log into your Droyo account online, changing shapes here is very easy and can be done in a few steps, which is very helpful for improving the clarity, visual appeal, and of course, the functionality of your diagrams. So, in my case, I have been working with this specific shapes right here. If you don't have any shapes yet, you might want to click on the left side panel of your dashboard. You see, there is a search shapes option. You can put in as many shapes as you can, depending on you. Now, one of the easiest way for you to modify a shape is using for example, this one right here, is to resize the cropping factor right here, the dragging tool. You can, of course, bend it over to your preference and desire. You see that? All right. After changing its shape from the like a crescent moon earlier, you now have like a peculiar kind of half small chip. And then, of course, you can put in a different color for that if you wanted to put in maybe a blue one, right? So with the next option is, for example, you've chosen a circle. Again, similarly to the option earlier, from a circle, you can create like a cat eye and put in a different color. So these are going to be some of the ways to modify the shape style, which is optional, all right? And again, if you want to modify the appearance of the shape, you can do that in the style tab, put in a color, fill in a color, and you also have an option to rotate the shapes right here. For example, I'm going to undo that. I'm going to click on copy, and then I'm going to rotate it to create a cross right here. See that? These are going to be some of the ways for you to modify or shape the from within your diagrams. Now, maybe you would notice that changing a shape to match its intended use will help you distinguish different types of elements in a diagram. Because one of the key factors or things here in Droyo is that for changing shapes to rounded rectangles for certain shapes, in a process flow helps you visually distinguish them from others, creating a uniformity throughout the diagram. Right? And of course, as your diagram evolves, the initial ape may no longer suit the content or structures. Now, from here, all I have to do is click the upper left corner wherein you can click the file, save this for now. You can also have the option to export it to different file formats and share this diagram to your team members or even to your client. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.